KashKick points are earned by completing available activities on the platform, and the best time to earn depends on when new offers are available and how much time you can spend completing them. By the end, you'll know how to find better earning opportunities on KashKick and how to use your time more efficiently. The best time to earn points on KashKick is when you have access to fresh offers that match your account. Offers can change, so checking the platform regularly helps you find available opportunities. Start by opening KashKick and reviewing the available activities before spending time on any offer. Different tasks can have different requirements, so read the details before starting. One reason timing matters is that some offers may have limited availability. Checking your account consistently helps you notice new opportunities instead of missing them. A good approach is to check KashKick when you have enough uninterrupted time to complete an activity. Starting an offer and leaving it unfinished can make it harder to track your progress. You should also focus on offers that fit your schedule. If you prefer shorter sessions, choose activities that can be completed in smaller amounts of time. If you have more free time, longer tasks may be easier to manage. Avoid spending time on offers without reading the requirements first. Each activity may have specific steps that must be completed before you receive credit. If an offer requires you to reach a certain point, complete a level, or follow specific instructions, track your progress carefully. Missing a requirement can prevent the reward from being credited. Another useful step is checking your KashKick account regularly for updates. Available tasks and earning options can change over time. The best strategy is not about one specific hour of the day. It is about checking often, choosing offers that match your available time, and completing each task exactly as required. The main points are simple. Check KashKick regularly for available offers, read requirements before starting, and choose tasks that fit the amount of time you have. Open KashKick and review your current offers before starting your next activity, so you spend your time on tasks you can actually complete. Subscribe for more KashKick earning guides and app tips, and like the video if it helped you use your time more effectively.